So I'm watching the Throttle House review of the Tesla CyberTruck monstrosity, and they did a quick screenshot of the cleaning instructions and the fact that you can't leave bird droppings or insect carcasses on it, and I could not believe this. This is absolutely hilarious. Listen to this. Cleaning the exterior. To prevent damage to the exterior, immediately remove corrosive substances such as grease, oil, bird droppings, tree resin, dead insects, tar spots, road salt, industrial fallout, etc. Do not wait until CyberTruck is due for a complete wash. If necessary, use denatured alcohol to remove tar spots and stubborn grease stains. Then immediately wash the area with water and a mild, non-detergent soap to remove the alcohol. Note, it is normal for the stainless steel exterior to mature over time, resulting in minor changes to the reflective properties and color of the metal. Dents and scratches. The stainless steel exterior of CyberTruck is more resistant to dents and dings than most other vehicles. However, CyberTruck does not have a clear coat on the surface of the exterior body panels, meaning any scratches that appear are in the stainless steel panels themselves. Anyone performing scratch repair should refer to the applicable exterior stainless steel panel refinishing procedure within the collision repair manual on service.tesla.com. In addition, do not use or immediately remove chemical, corrosive, or non-pH neutral substances, including but not limited to acidic liquids or materials, grease, oil, tree resin, dead insects, tar spots, road salt, industrial fallout, etc., as they can cause corrosion to the vehicle's exterior. Caution. Tesla is not liable for any damage caused by failing to refer to the official guidance. So if you live anywhere except for, say, anywhere, and you don't immediately clean every dried insect, every spot of road salt, anything off a vehicle, Tesla will not be responsible for whatever happens to the vehicle exterior. It's kind of funny how, though, they say, in addition, do not use or immediately remove. They have the comma in the wrong place. It should be, in addition, do not use or immediately remove, with a comma after the or, because that completely changes the meaning of the sentence. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think this is absolutely hilarious in a sad sort of way? Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Cheers.